Hey guys, thank you for joining us. This is Mrs. Rios. Today we're going to be thinking about the importance of reducing, reusing, and recycling. Today we're going to be making a bird feeder. Make sure that when you choose a paint, make sure it's acrylic paint because other types of paint won't work very well. And when you paint, you're gonna have to paint more than one layer so your painting or your box could look nice. Now, the importance of being able to use something again, that we saved trash from going into the earth. We were able to turn it into a bird feeder. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope that you guys are able to reduce, reuse, and recycle.